In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to make your Rednote account private in just a few simple steps. The process is nearly identical on both iPhone and Android devices, so no matter which one you're using, you can follow along. First, open the Rednote app and navigate to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, you'll need to access the app's settings. There are two ways to do this. 1. Look for the gear icon next to the Edit Profile button and tap on it. 2. If you don't see the gear icon, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu, then select the settings icon. Next, go to the Privacy Settings section, which is marked with a lock icon. Here, you'll find various privacy options. Unlike platforms like TikTok or Instagram, there isn't a private account option, but instead, you'll see Protection Mode at the top of the list. To make your Rednote account private, simply toggle the switch to enable Protection Mode. Once activated, your account will be private. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.